Hey, what's up guys, Zain here. So today we're going to be taking a look at this bad boy over here. This is the Keychron K8 wireless keyboard with aluminum bezels, RGB backlighting, and hot-swappable Gateron red switches. This is going to be exciting, so let the unboxing begin.
So let's take a look at what's inside the box. It comes with a foam. You can put it inside the keyboard for extra padding. It comes with a quick start guide to get it up and running pretty fast. It also has info about the switches. Now let's take a look at the board itself. It comes with a dust cover. That's pretty good. And it also comes with an instruction manual for your reference. It comes with a braided USB-C cable. It's right angled, that means the USB-C port is on the side instead of the back. It also has extra keycaps if you want to switch between Mac and Windows operating systems, as it's compatible with both. And finally, it also has a keycap and switch puller included. I also got the wooden palm rest that's available from Keychron. It's pretty good looking and comfortable. So right off the bat, the board feels very sturdy and heavier than I expected. I would say it's about 2 pounds. It's a solid board, so let's take a look at it. It's a tenkeyless keyboard, which means that it's a full-size keyboard minus the keypad. It has aluminum bezels on the side. They are separate pieces, so you can unscrew them with a dedicated screwdriver. With the aluminum bezels, you can see it has the recessed appearance, and it is more visible if you look around the arrow clusters. It feels pretty sturdy on the back as well, nothing moving. It has 5 rubber feet and dual kickstands, a shorter one and a longer one to adjust the angle for your typing preference. On the side we have the USB port, a button to switch between Windows and Mac, and the other one is to turn it off, set it to cable mode or Bluetooth mode. The indicator lights to let you know which mode you are in. The K8 has a 4000 mAh battery that can last up to 240 hours typing with the backlight turned off.
Your mileage may vary based on the RGB effects and whether you have this auto sleep mode turned off.
So let's fire it up.
It has a Bluetooth 5.1 chipset, so you can connect up to 3 devices and switch between them pretty seamlessly.
Just press the function and 1, 2, or 3 to switch and to connect to your devices. Hot-Swappable means the keyboard comes with its switches soldered, so if you wanted to change them, that would mean you would have to get a new keyboard. For this one, if you get the Hot-Swappable version, you can customize your typing experience by simply pulling the switches out and replacing them. The switches come pre-looped, and the Gateron switches are compatible with almost all MX-style 3-pin or 5-pin mechanical switches on the market.
There are about 18 different types of RGB backlight effects, so let's cycle through some of them.
To change the RGB effect, there's a dedicated light button on the top right. There are quite a few of these that you can choose from breathing to flashing to static ones. You can change the colors by pressing the function and the right arrow key.
And last but not the least, the sound test.
basic version of the Keychron K8 wireless keyboard starts at $69. It comes with white backlight, or you could get it with the RGB backlight. Or you can get the RGB backlight with the aluminum frame for $20 extra at $89. It comes with Gateron switches, or you could go with the Hot-Swappable version for $10 extra. And the same with Gateron optical ones. As far as the switch options, you could go with the red, blue, or brown Gateron switches. The red ones are more linear and quieter ones, the blue ones are clicky, and the brown ones offer a tactile feedback. Same goes with the optical version.
Overall, this is a great keyboard. It sounds and works absolutely amazing. If the keyboard height bothers you, then you can get a palm rest. Keychron's website offers one, so I'll leave a link below in the description. Or you can get one from Amazon. Alright folks, so there you have it. If you like this type of content, please do go ahead, like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the upcoming mod videos. Alrighty, peace.